After a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, Jal Shakti Minister said that the central government has taken some strategic steps on Indus Water Treaty. India will not provide a drop of water to Pakistan under Indus Water Treaty, said the Jal Shakti Minister. We'll put out that reaction in just a few seconds, but this is India's resolve. It has vowed to suspend the Indus Water Treaty and the taps will run dry in Pakistan. Let's listen in to C.R. Patil. In fact, let's first go across to my colleague Riyanka, who's joining us live from the national capital. Riyanka, this is a major strategic step that India has initiated. India has taken against Pakistan. Not a single drop of water will be, spared for Pakistan.
Well, after the gruesome terror attack that we saw in Pahalgam, we know that one of the biggest steps which was taken by our country is to suspend at this point in time the Indus Water Treaty that gives in 80% of Pakistan's agricultural irrigation help. On the other hand, Pakistan is mostly dependent on the Indus waters and its tributaries. In fact, C.R. Patil, the Jal Shakti Minister, yesterday after his meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, once again reiterated that not a single drop of water will be going to Pakistan. So that is a very, very strong message and it makes it very clear how India is at this point in time strong and making very important strategies in order to stop the flow of the Indus, rivers that come under the Indus Water Treaty. At this point in time, we also understand how the Jal Shakti Minister had informed after the meeting that the government is making plans. One, a short-term plan, and secondly, a medium-term plan, and third, a long-term plan in order to put this particular situation at a position, given the fact that, closing off the water that is going to Pakistan will not happen in a day. There has to be a plan and a strategy that needs to be maintained, which is why a short, a medium and a long-term plan is being chalked out by the government. That is what the Jal Shakti Minister had in fact told at this point in time, that is the move which is taken by the government. On the other hand, we also saw Pakistan calling this move by India a situation of water warfare. In fact, there was a statement that had come in from, one of the Pakistani leaders who said that, the Indus is ours and we will in fact be getting every drop of water that we have and we deserve. And if not, then blood will flow through that particular river. So very provocative statements came in from Pakistan rather than denouncing the situation that happened in Pahalgam. So Deepak, that is the stance of our government in order to make several strategies how to hold back the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance.